This is Danielle.
It's some good curry.
And this is some shrimp seasoning. It's Zatarain, ain't it?
Yeah.
Zatarain.
You gotta say what the voice ain't.
There you go, some New Orleans seasoning.
What think you messing with me?
Crab seasoning. Got a little shot cup. And Danielle.
You gotta hype it up like it's hype.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Danielle.
You gotta get the music in the back.
I know. See you real good because you're on a white wall. Shut up, Joy. My God. It's still burning my leg. Like like gasoline. You wanna try it? Huh? Come on.
Let's do it.
Come on. You already cheated because I already wasted some.
Yeah.
I ain't tell you to waste this.
I know.
On me.
I'm
Get
gonna
out of here.
Here, we're going to place this down for you. There you go. We placed it on the table for her. Come on, little motivation, y'all. You can do it. You can do it. You throw up, you don't get it. Can't throw up. You gotta take
I gotta
it.
keep it down for 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Who said 10 seconds?
Yeah, who makes the rules here?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
You can throw it up.
I want
Burn
I
it.
know. Just be like,
Go ahead. Just think of that. Just do it. Just come on. You get a whole box of disposables
whole box of disposals.
worth $32.
$32.50 plus shipping handling.
That's it. That's what we forgot to
I
add.
already had to go through though.
But see,
Let's zoom up on that. Getting burned.
I know. But
Getting
see,
burned.
that would get
Do it for it. You should still get it.
huh?
Yeah, if my sister do it for me, do I still get it?
Fuck no.
Nah, that ain't fair. Cause she like
Oh, listen.
she
I can't help you.
hardcore.
I drink tequila.
She's a push.
Come on.
Just down it. You
Go,
think about it.
go, go,
Go.
go,
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 shorty.
go,
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 shorty.
go,
It's
go.
your
Sip it, sip
trying to
it,
tell you push it
sip
up.
it, sip it, sip it, sip
on,
it,
man,
sip it,
up,
sip,
huh?
sip, 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 sip.
She went to the emergency room. I think he took you into that.
You about to die. That shit tastes like hell.
She got a whole box of twos. Don't run outside, cause we don't know. Go outside.
Y'all, we gotta show this some. Oh, that's cheating. You can't spit either. No spitting.
You cannot spit.
She walking.
I'm gonna go to the corner store. You can't go to the store.
You got him.
I'm about to walk home. That shit was hot. You have a 6-pack tomorrow.
She walking it off. She drunk all that stuff.
That's the seasoning for the
Ooh.
shrimp and crabs.
And I guarantee you, you can put this right here. You can put this little bit, you can taste it if you want to taste it. Just put that little bit in your mouth and just see how it tastes.